Blessings of Allah, the most merciful. This is Amir Sultan, QHSC Business International Chief Executive Officer. I hope you are following on my videos. Today I will be talking on chapter number 249. Before I proceed to chapter number 249, I would like all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button after doing that. Moreover, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you so much. Chapter number 249 is about SOP of design and development. SOP of design and development is imperative and important part of QMS Quality Management System ISO 9001-2015. And the organizations which design their things themselves need to apply this SOP. It's a must for them. In this SOP, we will start from the scope. The scope, we will define all the boundaries and all the areas under which this scope need to be designed and need to be implemented and need to be operate during the organization's working time and during the organization business processes. Then we comes down to the purpose. In the purpose, we will define about the why we are having this SOP, why we are making a design and development SOP, as it is imperative and compulsory part, and what is the actual essence and what is the actual content, and how it will actually benefit the user, the personal, who will be going through this SOP later on. Then comes down the definitions. In the definitions, all the technical parts, all the abbreviations which are difficult to understand or understood by the personnel who will be going through this SOP needs to be present in this design and development. For each organizations, the terms can be different and can be variable and can be very vague and according to their design specifics and their difficulties and their words and this. These all need to be defined in this in definition sector. Then comes down the responsibilities. Responsibilities start from the Chief Executive Officer, the CEO. Most of the organizations have this designation, in which the CEO's responsibilities are that each design and development activity for all the orders that personnel receive are executed within the time frame they have decided, so that there are no pending orders for the design and development remain when the month or the year close down. Then comes down HSC manager and the HSC department head, whose responsibilities are to execute the design and development processes well in time with all the implications required for the standard and the company for that specific client and customer. Then comes down other department personnel who will be having their duties according to the design development and need to be processed with the design development department within time frame and on time. Then comes down the process. In the process, we will define all the steps which are used in the design and development phase of that organizations for executing their processes adequately and appropriately. No step need to be left out. For example, if they have a process start from the planning, then they are having a making of a team, then start of a project, execution of project, closure of the project, finalization of the project, meeting with the customer before handing over the beta version, the final version, and the closure with the management for finalizing the design, and this on. These all things need to be mentioned with proper details, so that anyone coming through this SOP later on can understand each aspect of this SOP. In the forms, in the records, we can have different forms related to the QMS, that how these documented, how these forms are present, which forms are related to the QMS need to be executed properly and checked and verified, and so on. And all the details of the main documents which are made by the design and development can be present in the records. If you need more details, summary, analysis, reports, recommendation, you can contact me anywhere in the world at +92 335 734 7400, and you can reach on my another number at +92 314 639 7990, and you can reach me on my email at amirsultanrana@yahoo.com. Thank you so much.